welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. First of all, I hope everybody had a great holiday season and Happy New Year. This is my first video since the new year and I missed you guys so much. Thank you so much for coming on back, and I want to thank all of my new subscribers. You guys, your support means everything to me. I always say that and I always mean it. And if you want to join the Dinner Time family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button along with the notification bell, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So even though I've been away for a little bit, I've been working really hard on just taking my channel to a whole other level. I don't want to get bored with my channel, and I definitely don't want you guys to get bored. So I made a video at the end of last year, and I will put that video in the description box. So go ahead and take a look at that, and that's just going to give you a little heads up of what to come. But yeah, I've come up with a new opening, channel banner, pictures, everything, and I'm going to bring different elements to my channel, and I'm so excited. And I hope that you're going to be excited too. So remember, if you have any suggestions of what you would like to see on my channel, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. So after coming out of the holiday season, eating so much food, so much great food, heavy food, a couple of weeks ago I came up with a recipe that was a little healthier and a little lighter, and it's a Sriracha chicken quinoa bowl, and I thought it was so delicious I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you want to see how I make it, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start with some chopped skinless chicken breasts and a cup of quinoa. I'm going to take half of a red onion, chop it up. I'm going to use some lemon juice, some ginger, and I'm going to chop some green onions. I'm going to use a half a cup of sriracha, a fourth of a cup of honey, sea salt, and black pepper. So in a saucepan I'm going to add my quinoa, and it's your choice. You can either add 2 cups of water, or for added flavor I'm going to add 2 cups of vegetable broth. Now over medium heat, I'm going to give it a quick stir, and then I'm going to cover it up halfway and then cook it until the liquid is completely gone. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add my sriracha sauce. So if you like it spicy, you're going to love this dish, but if not, cut it in half and adjust accordingly. For a little sweetness, I'm going to add a fourth of a cup of honey. I've chopped, and now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger, and now I'm going to add a tablespoon of some fresh lemon juice. So now I'm going to whisk everything together, and now I'm going to get started on the chicken. So over medium heat, I'm going to warm up some olive oil, and now I'm going to add and saute some red onions. I love cooking with red onions. They're slightly sweeter than the regular yellow onions, but they're just as delicious. And I'm going to go ahead and saute them until they're tender and clear. So now I'm going to add in my chopped chicken breasts, and I'm going to cook these for about 7 or 8 minutes until they're cooked all the way through and nice and golden brown. And I'm also going to season with some sea salt and some black pepper. So now that my chicken is done, I'm going to add my sriracha mixture, and I'm just going to mix it up, making sure that all the chicken is coated really well, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 8 minutes so that the sauce can thicken up. So we are done and we are ready to eat. So just put some quinoa in a bowl, and you can pile as much chicken on top as you want. And for some added freshness, I'm going to put some chopped green onions on top. You get spice from the sriracha and the ginger, and the sweetness from the honey. You guys, this is a whole lot of flavor in one bite. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave it in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe by clicking my face somewhere over here, or the subscriber button down below, along with the notification bell, just to let you know every time I upload a video. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.